What's going on, guys? So we're back again today with another video. It's been a little bit of time since I uploaded. I've been busy with some stuff, so we're gonna kick it off with a helmet video to get things back in motion. So today this is going to be about the post-war Finnish M40 helmet compared to an original. Both of these shells are size 64. The only difference really is obviously this is a post-war one, but we can see the differences and similarities in the shells, and to me they're virtually identical. So overall, the purpose of this video is because now on the market, original World War II German shells, especially larger sizes like 66 and 68s, are really expensive for people to buy in a World War II reenacting, and these are a great alternative. So this helmet here, like I said, it's a post-war Finnish M40. I have repainted this. It's getting dark out, so the lighting's being a little weird. So here we can see we have the aluminum oxide texture on it. There was holes in the side, which I have filled them. There's the air vents. And here in just a second we will take a more closer comparison to the post-war and the original. So the first thing, let's look at the skirting, because on reproductions and stuff, that is usually what is the biggest failure. So we can see the skirting on the original is virtually the same on the post-war. Another thing I wanted to mention too about the original here, this is an original Q64, as we can see right there. So now back to this. So we can see the skirting is pretty much the same height, depth, everything. So turn this around to get a better comparison. And this is on a flat surface, by the way. And there you go, you can be the judge for yourself. It's spot on. Alright, so we've seen the skirting was good. So now let's talk about the visor here, the curve, which is something on reproductions are pretty bad. So this is the original curve on the Q64. And now we'll hop over here to the post-war. And here's a little bit better view. So like I said, this is on a flat surface. So you can see the post-war to the right is just a little bit taller, not by much. But let's take a look here at the curves of the visor. So like I said, this is the original post-war, I'm sorry. As we can see, virtually the same. So now let's talk about the air vents. So on the Quist helmets, the air vents typically were a little bit larger than other manufacturers of helmets, which the post-war M40 has really well done. It has a larger air vent. So this helmet highly replicates a Quist made M40 shell. Now we'll look at the original, and we can see they are very, very close. Another thing I did want to mention is about the post-war helmets. These often don't have size stamps in them. That's the serial number I painted in here for a guy. But there will typically not be like a Quist, like 64, like the maker and shell size and centimeters stamped here. Some of them did. Some of the early Quist helmets I do believe were marked Q and then the shell size, but did not have a lot number. But overall, I mean, you can see for yourself they're virtually identical. So you can get the Postwar helmets in larger sizes too. So if you need a size 66 or 68, I highly recommend getting one of these. These are a fantastic alternative compared to spending hundreds of dollars on an original helmet. If you're able to, more power to you. Go and buy the original, no doubt. But if you want to get something that is virtually the same, looks the same, as we can see here, get the Postwar one. You'll be happy with it. The things you will have to do to it to make it correct for World War II reenacting will be obviously a repaint like I've done on this one. I do apologize for the lighting because it is getting dark out, but you'll want to do the field gray with aluminum oxide texture as we see here. Sometimes there will be holes on the sides. You can easily fill those in, sand it, repaint it, looks great. And then you will want to get a correct World War II German reproduction liner. You can get those at various vendors. I highly recommend getting the Czech reproduction World War II German liners, and typically an entire kit will run you around $100. I mean, I'd say $75 to $100 depending on where you buy it. So, alright guys, it's starting to get dark out here, but I haven't made a video in a while, so I wanted to make something for you guys, give you guys some tips and stuff. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for where to get these Postwar M40 helmets and for liners. If you need a helmet repainted, I do offer helmet repaints. So if you're interested, leave a comment below and let me know. I am located in the US, so I'm not overseas in Europe or something like that. So like I said, drop a comment, let me know you're interested in a repaint, and I will get in contact with you and we'll get that sorted out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more, and we should have some more videos coming up here in the near future. So thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.